as actively campaigning. Well, I have endorsed over the radio candidates of the Liberal Party.
So you're not joining their campaign?
Because the campaigning today has changed from the time I first came to the Senate and campaigned in 1995. Today, social media, television, radio are the more effective avenues of campaigning rather than political rallies. And a political rally is only effective insofar as it is a media event. Without media coverage, how many people can you make hakot in a political meeting? 4,000, 2,000? You need how many million votes? So the value for money of having a political rally as distinguished from a TV, radio ad is so obvious. So this going around and dancing and singing in the political rally is a thing of the past. But I have, upon the request of certain candidates, I have made